We, the students of TGMRS JC Casual Girls 1, are here to demonstrate the double circulation in our heart. Double circulation is the process in which the blood goes through our heart twice. The students wearing blue dress are deoxygenated blood, and the students wearing red dress are oxygenated blood. The students wearing school uniform are valves. Open, close, open, close, open, close. The deoxygenated blood enters our heart from vena cava to atria. Then it moves through ventricle, and then from ventricle it moves to pulmonary artery to get oxygenated by our lungs. Then from pulmonary vein the oxygenated blood enters to our left atria and moves through ventricle to get to aorta to get distributed to our all the body parts.